that is why this cannot be our intention for better life and better life. This could be one intention, but let us change it. Let us make it for them. Let us change our intention that we are here not for the dunya. We are here for the establishing the life, the ideal life. If you make it intention, will the risk will decrease? Whatever the money and risk Allah Ta'ala has decided, will it decrease? No. Any comfort will increase? No. Allah Ta'ala will barakah in those things. Allah Ta'ala will make this easy for barakah in the risk means risk will come very easy to us with honor and respect. So brothers, if we make that niyah, a big change will come. Because of this niyah, all our action will change. You know, niyah means that something I make niyah only when our heart is convinced. When our heart is convinced to do something, that is called niyah, to niyah get something. If you want to see the niyah now, to physically feeling, then when people make it with a belief in something, with yaqeen in something, then people make it, I want to do it. Like some people had a feeling that, oh, if I go to his country, I'll become successful, no matter what.